Hello friends, I am back. Sorry it's been a little while since I put up a video, but you'll see why towards the end of this video. Anyways, I did a small little refresh in my kitchen. Still a little bit of the blue and white decor is coming in here. And I also have a few things that are, I don't know, like the lemon decor too will sneak in, as well as some strawberries. And yeah, I got a new picture up at the top, and I just like the look of the greenery and just added in the topiary balls up there to kind of match with the picture. And yeah, I like how it looks up here. And for some of you who do watch me regularly, when I do put out a video, you might recognize that I've used some of these pieces already in other Decorate With Me's, but I'm just a person that kind of likes to shift my decor around and just use it in other parts of my home. And, you know, it just kind of freshens it up in that regard. Anyways, I don't have to keep on buying. But, you know, hey, who doesn't like shopping? And I'll likely bring out some more lemon decor and maybe a few more strawberry decor. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that'll be for my summer look here. Anyways, my brother was most recently in London, England, and I told him, please go to Fortnum and Mason for me. And he did. And he brought back some lovely cookies and some chai tea because he knows I love chai tea. Anyways, I'm going to show you the beautiful silver tea, what do you call that? When you put your tea leaves in there? Anyways, I don't know. Isn't it just so cute? I just love it. I can't wait to use it. Thank you, my big brother. Love ya. Hey, let's go to Dad's house. See you there. Mwah. Here we are at Dad's house. So, like I said, I've been at my dad's house doing a few things, but mostly a kitchen redo. I just wanted to refresh his cabinets and the walls, and then I eventually wanted to change out the flooring. So, yeah, if you want to see this, please continue watching. And as you can see, the cabinets were painted white a few years ago, and now I'm doing a two-tone on the cabinets. And I just think it's gonna look very nice, and just a pop of color always does us well. And this is the look I'm going for. I just painted out the trim in blue and kept the middle portion white. And I'm going to also use the same white on his gray walls. And I already started, and man, this white paint is so bright and so, I don't know, cheerful to me. Yeah, it was nice to get rid of the gray walls. And voila! Doesn't that look nice? It's bright, it's fresh, it's clean, and that's what I'm going for here. And I love this paint. It's called White on White by Behr. And yeah, I'm loving it. Except I gotta do the ceiling. And there's a little minor repair that Peter has to fix for me. And then I'll decide if I want to paint it white or if I want to continue maybe a little bit of blue up there. We'll see, not sure. And I'll just say this house is a small bungalow. It was built in 1947 and yeah, I grew up here actually. This is my family home and yeah, many happy memories. And this linoleum, not loving it, so this girl had to change it out. It's been here for years, let me tell ya. I remember Dad putting it in, and it's time to go. Bye-bye, ugly lino. And here's my sample. I couldn't believe my paint color was very much the same color on this floor. And I was surprised. We went to the first flooring store and there it was. And I was like, I need a piece, I need a sample. And the guy was so nice, gave me a big chunk. And yep, loving it. And I think that's not a bad price to change up a kitchen. Oops, yes, I got a little paint there. Oh well, I might have to change it out anyways. I don't like the two tones Dad has here. Honestly, that was heavy. It looks like I'm not even trying, but I am. Oh my goodness, that was difficult. Oh, I tell ya. Thank goodness. Let the hubby do it. That's too heavy. Thanks, Peter. I didn't even know Peter did that. What a crazy guy. Anyways, it's the next day, and yes, he measured, we laid it down, and he was just doing those little last cuts just to make sure it's nice and flat. And I'm telling you, I love it. Well, my dear friends, I just wanted to share with you what I've been up to. I've been a little busy at my dad's house, and I just wanted to refresh his kitchen and do other little things around his house and make it look, clean and comfortable and beautiful too. I love that floor. And yeah, I'll show you maybe in another video once everything's put back. Anyways, y'all take care and thanks for watching.